I think it's cool that you get to play with fire. Especially being a girl, that's pretty cool.
We're celebrating Career Technical Education Month, and no better way to celebrate it without honoring our amazing women of Welding.
Welding is an H2, high-skill, high-wage career program where students get hands-on skills, training, and industry certifications. These young ladies, when they graduate, they will be ready to enter the workforce or continue their education.
I would like to find a career related to welding, but I see right now that there's not really much women in welding, so I want to inspire younger girls to have some pride being a woman and being STEM. I have trying to learn skills to make me be a better welder. Like be patient with be patient to be better, have a steady hand, be consistent, and learn new techniques.
I love training the next generation because we don't have a lot of students who got into the work world like this. They went other directions, but welding is definitely what we need them in, and I try to stress the importance of that.
Last year we built a squatted SUV out of metal. It's like a Tahoe. Yeah, that was pretty cool. It's almost like therapy in a way, because that's the only thing you can focus on. You don't have time to focus on anything else because you need to make sure your hands are steady, you're moving at the right pace. So it's really nice to take a break from the outside world, I like to say.
Do not follow any propaganda that you can't be in trade, do any man field, because that will define you, and you really can't do anything if you dream big about it.